Nah, I'm already slipping.
Nah, yeah.
Nah, we're not. Yeah, bro. It's snowing. We're cooked. We have to find somewhere else.
Hey, yo, I thought you said this was easy. Yeah, chat, you really think this is easy though?
Yo, where you at?
It's the easy hike, guys. The easy beginning hike.
All right, vlog number 2. Let's get it with the boy Alex.
Trying to go to school.
What the fuck? Nah, we ain't going to school today, pa. Hey, I got this little stick. I don't know if it's good, but I mean, I feel like it is. Is this
the little one? I brought the big one.
You brought a big one?
Yeah.
Hey, you have one?
It's right here in my shorts.
What the fuck?
Sunday morning, 6 a.m. Whole house is doing this. So we are dedicated hikers.
I know.
And it's our first hike.
Bro, what do you mean? This is like my 50th hike.
And we chose the easiest one.
6.5 hours later.
Nah, I'm already slipping.
Nah, yeah.
Nah, we're gonna have to find somewhere else. Nah, fuck no. We're gonna get stuck. Alright, we made it to Rancho Falls, but yeah, bro, it's snowing. We're cooked. We have to find somewhere else.
You probably bring a snowboarder for me too.
Bro, I did not know. What the heck?
Yeah, that's crazy, bro.
Just made it. We are here at Big Creek.
Big Creek, the first place.
With the boy Ale.
First location was a fail, but
yeah,
we're hoping
I'm gonna put that in the clip.
We're hoping this one's good. The other one was just too much snow.
Yeah, we're gonna be hiking all that.
All this
This
right
mountain.
Here. So welcome to the trail. We got
all these
nice
mountains
view.
we're hiking.
That's crazy. This whole thing is better than that. You think it's paved all the way or what? Or you think the trail starts more over there?
I think it starts more up there. I hope so.
I hope so.
It's this right here. I'm already out of breath.
Hey,
I'm good.
You got to edit out that breathing, boy.
Dude. Now we're going up.
Now we're going up and breathing heavy.
Already?
Yeah.
2 minutes in.
Fuck, I feel like my legs are getting sore.
Yeah, I think I'm getting lightheaded.
Bruh. Alright, but this feels more like a
This
trail.
was better. This was better.
Damn, you could have just said that, fool, that this was the actual trail. And it looks like a trail, fool.
It does.
That shit over there, we're tired, but we'll make it.
We're already out of breath.
Guys, this is like a 10-mile hike. This is nothing to us.
I'm just testing out my breathing. That's why I'm like breathing heavy.
Yeah, me too. Like, honestly, I'm just enjoying the fresh air.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta really.
You gotta breathe it in.
We don't
heavy.
got this shit in Fresno.
Yeah, that's true.
We only get this up here.
Stop the
That's true.
The video, this title is gonna be called "Wrong Way."
Where not to
wrong
go.
way.
Where not to go.
What not to do.
What not to do.
You know?
Yeah, that's true. Check out the view, chat.
Yeah, there's right here. It's all good until you start hearing some funny sounds from some animals.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, this is where the.
Oh, this is where it's at?
Yeah, the waterfall. It looks like you used to be able to go up there, no?
Yeah, it looks like it. For real. Yes, sir.
Jump in.
Jump in. All right, hold my back quick.
Jump in.
I bet.
That's nice though.
Let me know, chat. Let me know if this vid's fire. Comment.
More hiking content,
More hiking content if you want that.
couch content, whatever it was that you guys said.
What
that
the
y'all
fuck?
wanted.
What do you mean couch? Excuse me. This was pretty fire though, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Is yours better?
The other one? Yeah, I think it was yeah, it was a little nicer because you get more shade. There's more water. But it does have like 2 or 3 kind of sketchy areas.
Yeah.
Earlier probably would have gone further.
Mm-hmm.
But like, you know, plans change. That's how real this video is, too.
Yep.
Things don't go your way. But we make it work.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean? It's all pretty even too. Like it's not like you're going up a hill like tiring, you know.
Yeah. It's not too bad.
I legit feel like I could run this. Maybe not fast, but you know, no jog.
Probably. Should we? Fuck it.
A little jog for a flip.
Little jog clip?
Yeah.
I'm down.
Ready?
All right, chat. We're in jog it. Because, you know, this is too easy for us.
It's too easy already now.
Hey, yo, I thought you said this was easy. Yeah, chat, you really think this is easy though? Check this out. Yo, where you at? This is the easy hike, guys. The easy beginner hike. What do y'all think?
Alright, yeah, we almost ended up in Fresno, so we had to stop,
Yeah.
turn around.
We did like a 30-minute run.
In the video, it looked like 30 seconds. In reality, it's like 30 minutes. Sprinting almost.
Yeah. I had to cut a lot.
My boy's gonna put it in slow motion for you guys.
Yeah, we did like 6 miles so far.
Hey, how'd you know? Yeah, it's 6 miles.
For real?
Yeah.
I was playing.
Nah, I'm just playing too. It's about to be 2 miles.
Yeesh.
Ask the chat what's the right way to eat the meat. That's just having roll.
Yo, what the?
What's the right?
Nah, you sus, ba.
What do you
I'm leaving.
What do you call it?
He said, what's the right way to eat the meat?
10 videos.
Yo.
Another waterfall. A waterfall over here.
What y'all think? Y'all want to check it out or not? Feeling? How you feeling?
Feeling good, feeling
Yeah.
good.
Pretty
Good
easy?
hike so far. Heading back, but it was good so far. How much
10
miles we have in?
Like 6.
6? Maybe 12 by the time we go back.
Do a little easy 12 miler.
Not bad.
You know, not even hungry, but we're just gonna eat. a little bit, just, you know.
Yeah.
But we could survive without food. No problem. No water. No problem.
Yeah, he's speaking for himself, chat. How are you feeling?
I feel good. Pretty easy so far. Pretty good. To run it is a little exercise in. Honestly, it just feels bomb to be out here early, dude. Like, you know, actually doing something, not being at home, just laying down, doing shit.
Different view.
Yeah. We're out here enjoying nature, huh? It's beautiful.
Check it out, y'all. Would you say they're missing out, Aaron?
They're missing out. They're missing out.
Yeah, they're missing out on this.
All right, chat. We're back. How was that climb?
Let me tell you something, chat. That was a pretty hard climb. I don't wish that on my worst enemy, pa.
Fact.
It's a hard climb. Like the deer.
The deer.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Let's follow it. What the fuck? There it is. Look.
No way. Oh yeah, waterfall.
We made it, chat.
That means we get to eat, chat.
We get to. Wait, this ain't it.
This ain't it. This ain't it. Never mind.
We don't get to eat, chat.
Hey, why is he look? There's more water now.
Hey, for reals, huh? Not bigger. Oh, that's a bigger one. All right. We're almost there, chat.
Oh yeah, I think it's right here.
Yeah, it's right here.
I think it worked out.
All right, that's all we.
Well, guys, so we're close to the end of this hiking trip.
Yeah, we finished eating, chat. On our way out.
The food was fire, dude. I fuck with those sandwiches, man. Fucking shout out to Winco, sponsor us.
Sponsor us, for real.
What sandwich?
Thanks, bro.
Oh, my shirt!
Oh no!
Dive in, go get it.
Fuck. No, I'm not diving.
Nah, that was fooling though. Like everything.
Yeah.
It wasn't even that much.
Yeah, it's half and half. And yeah, that's what helped me pick up. And we felt refreshed with that waterfall.
for sure.
10 out of 10, bro.
10 out of 10 meal.
The vibes, the food.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Facts.
That's probably one of the best parts of this hike. Guys.
Mm-hmm.
Recommend it just for that.
Yeah.
Bring some food. Chill at that spot and eat. Now we can tell each other we finished. So.
Yep. All right, chat. We're finished.
We're done with this hike. It was a pretty good hike. Pretty cool views. Not as much as we wanted, but the first hike didn't work out, so we did what we could with what we had, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, come out here, y'all. It's pretty good.
Yeah, it was pretty good. It was pretty chill.
Bring some food.
Not too much obstacles. Not too difficult.
Yeah, and it feels good out here.
Yeah. Big Creek Trail.
Yeah. Just make sure they go up, food, not down.
Oh yeah, don't go down.
Go up.